Hello everyone, my name is Jordan Santarsiri from Vicxer, and on this second video I'm going to show you how you can configure your SAP system to have it up and running. The first thing that I want you to do is to switch to the operating system user of your SAP system. In this case for us it will be NPL ADM. Now what you need to do is we need to get what is called the hardware key. For that you're going to navigate to the binaries and do SAP license -get. That will give you what is called a hardware key. You will have to copy that hardware key. Once you do that, I want you to open your browser and navigate to go.support.sap.com/minisap. Here, SAP will ask you, okay, for what trial version of our SAP systems do you want to generate the license? You need to choose NPL SAP NetWeaver 7.x, the Sybase version. Once you have that, you just complete the personal data and system information, and at the very end you're going to put the hardware key. You agree to the license, click on generate, and that will create a special license just for you. The license should be valid, I don't remember if it is like 30 days, 60 days or 90 days, but it should be good to go. Once you do that, you will open the SAP GUI and you will connect to the new SAP system. If you don't have a SAP GUI available, once you decompress the original installation files from the system, if you go to client, you will find that SAP has also included the two different SAP GUIs on this trial version. You have the SAP GUI for Windows. I recommend this one if you are running on Windows. If not, the SAP GUI for Java that you will be able to use it for Linux and macOS. So once you install the SAP GUI, once the system is up and running, you will have to connect to the SAP system. And let me show you. We are going to use the user SAP star on client 000, and the password will be download. These are the default passwords for this specific trial version. These are not default SAP passwords. So let's do that. Let's go for SAP star 000 download. I have typed. There we go. This process might take a while depending on how much RAM did you assign. And once you are there, what you need to do is go to transaction as license. Make sure that you are on digital signed license. This license comes on after you finish the installation. This is for you to get up and running and be able to put the other license. What we need to do, you select each one of them, you go to edit and click on delete license. This may take a second. Yes. One more time. Delete license. There we go. And finally, you go to edit, you click on install license, and you put the license that you just generate. The SAP GUI, as it's going to be accessing your file system, is going to say, hey, do you want to allow me to do so? Yes, you click on allow, the license gets installed, and you get to see that we got a little bit more than 3 months. 1 day and 3 months. That's it. Once you do that, you have full access of this SAP trial for 3 months. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and on the next ones I'm going to be showing you what you can do once you are inside the SAP system, how you can practice, how you can go to do your first ABAP programs, for example, and so on.